close name. I can't remember exactly the name. I'm going to do it live soon with my friend Jake. That's a raw naturopathy or something. Basically, raw fruitarian practitioner of this doctor. So he's got a lot more info to share on that. So I'm going to do that on this channel. Be really good for people to check in the next week. I'm going to try and organise that. And then also protein's a big one as well. Like everyone's like, oh, where'd you get your protein from? It's a big one. And it's like, what I've learned from him is he said, so when we meat and fish and all the other normal like foods that are like harder and more dense, we have to convert the protein into amino acids for us to have those building blocks in our body. But when we have fruits, it's naturally just got the amino acids, so we haven't got to break and convert it from protein to amino acids for us to then use. It's straight amino acids into our body. So that's been a really interesting one, because that means you can still build muscle lean and naturally, you know, like in a healthy way, and not use that energy to then convert it from protein into amino acids. So that's been an interesting one, because obviously we're brought up on the idea of, oh, you have to cook your food, and we have to cook our food to then, you know, consume it and digest it, but actually it's not the complete truth, because we can eat fruits and we can eat it straight off the tree, and there it is. We don't have to cook nothing. So that's been an interesting one to wrap your like paradigm around, of like, oh, always having to cook food to eat food. But we know that when we see a fruit, we naturally feel drawn to it just to eat it straight. But yeah, when we look at other food, like if I look at a cow, I don't think, I really want to eat that. You know, it's like, I think it's just been slowly being programmed into us to eat always cooked food, when it's not necessarily the case, is it? But yeah, it's an interesting journey. It's not a quick fix, this diet. It's definitely a slow process, especially if you've been eating meat your whole life, or, you know, not tried any other diets out, and explored, you know, just eating plant-based or all these other, you know, diets. But yeah, just thought I'd share that. It's been going good. Lots of smoothies, lots of coconuts, pineapples, bananas, pineapples, and yeah, been great. I've